Welcome to JH. Hey traders, if you are juggling more NinjaTrader accounts than you have actual hobbies, you are in the right place. Today we are reviewing CrossTrade Trade Copier, a tool designed to copy trades quickly and manage the risk you are probably currently ignoring. CrossTrade is famous for its speed, boasting an average execution time of around 34 milliseconds. This is vital for scalping or high-frequency trading where every millisecond counts. Because let's be honest, in this game, if you're not first, you're just a donation to the market. The tool is optimized specifically for NinjaTrader 8 and integrates seamlessly to allow for local trade copying. You can even route alerts from TradingView charts directly into your accounts, making it surprisingly easy to automate your strategies without needing a PhD in computer science. One of the standout features is multi-account management, allowing you to copy trades in multiple directions across any number of accounts. This is a lifesaver for traders managing several prop firm accounts or those trying to hide their personal portfolio's performance from their spouse. Risk management is another strong point here, featuring position scaling, daily loss limits, and automatic synchronization every few seconds. These features help you maintain consistency and avoid those embarrassing rule violations in funded accounts that usually lead to a very quiet dinner. While the support team is mostly reachable through Discord, because apparently, professional emails are far too vintage, the community is active and the team is known for helping users effectively. For the best results, it is recommended to use a low-latency VPS like Quant to ensure your trades are running 24/7 while you're busy sleeping. Let's look at the cold, hard facts. The advantages include lightning-fast execution, robust automation with webhooks, and advanced risk controls that actually work. On the flip side, there is absolutely no refund policy, so you'd better be sure about your life choices before hitting buy. It also lacks compatibility with web-based platforms, meaning it only works on the NinjaTrader desktop version and requires a PC or VPS to stay powered on. In summary, CrossTrade is a powerful tool for serious traders who need speed and multi-account control. It takes some setup, but for those who value reliability over a plug-and-play fantasy, it is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.